Okay, in today we bring you another research article for you. Let's review it. This is about ammonia gas removal using biofilter. Introduction and literature. At present, solid waste management is becoming a global problem in developed countries. Composition is an environmentally friendly technology to treat and recycle organic wastes. Composition is not only used for the organic fraction of municipal solid wastes, but it is also applied to residuals coming from industrial activities. Municipal law, industrial waste, water, sludge and animal byproducts are examples of organic solid waste susceptible to compositing. The problem of gaseous emissions can be approached from several points of view: occupational health and safety, olfactory nuisance, and atmospheric impact. Ammonia gas is released into the atmosphere from various sources such as car gas processing plants, sewage treatment plants, compositing works, livestock farms and wastewater treatment plants. The emission can constitute a source of olfactory nuisance and lead to nutrient enrichment and acidification of aquatic and terrestrial environments. At present, odor emissions and atmospheric pollution are the most common problems associated with compositing of organic waste in large-scale facilities. Compositing installations present numerous odor sources, including the reception and handling of materials, active compositing, stockpiling, etc. Exhaust gases from composting are usually characterized by high flow rates and low pollutant concentrations. Ammonia gas has received much attention as it can be easily identified from other compositing odors, often represents the main nitrogen gas emitted during composting, and it can be released in large amounts. Ammonia gas is a colorless, toxic, reactive and corrosive gas with a very sharp odor. Ammonia gas is irritating to the eye and the respiratory tract, and at high concentrations with acute overexposure can lead to death within minutes. High concentrations of ammonia gas kill most organisms. A number of compost and industrial facilities have been closed down because of their odors. Gaseous ammonia gas is mainly generated by livestock farming, petrochemical industries, metal manufacturing plants, food, pulp and paper industries, textile plants, waste treatment plants, and sludge processing and composting plants. Increasingly stringent regulation for emissions have stimulated research to develop more efficient and cost-effective control technologies. The traditional treatments such as activated carbon absorption, wet scrubbing, condensers, and thermal oxidation which are generally expensive and produce secondary pollutants. Biofiltration has been used successfully in odor control and for the elimination of organic and inorganic pollutions in air from stationary sources. It is considered a clean technology with low capital and operating cost, low energy requirements, and an absence of residual products requiring further treatment or disposal. The process is based on passing a contaminated stream of ammonia gas through a microbial biofilm immobilized on a porous support. The pollutants diffuse from the gas into the thin layer of biofilm attached to the support media and are metabolized. The end products of the complete biodegradation are carbon dioxide, water and microbial biomass. The quality of the filter media has been reported as one of the key factors in biofilter performance. Compost-based media have been extensively used in recent years because they are cheap and have several microbial communities capable of degrading various pollutants. This research investigates the efficiency of a compost biofilter for the removal of ammonia gas from the composting plant. The objective of this research is to design biofilter for ammonia gas removal in a municipal compost plant. Okay, this is all about the introduction part of this research article. See you again with another research article review. Subscribe our channel for future videos. Thank you very much.